Good morning. Happy Memorial Day. So, today I want to talk about change. And there's basically three reasons why people don't change or can't change. And they are as follows. The first one is a fear. Fear of the unknown, fear of change, fear of what's going to be different if they do it. And many times we don't do things because we're afraid of what we don't know. The second reason is really the fear of other people and their opinions. We worry about what other people are going to think if we make a change. If all of a sudden we're doing something drastically different from how we normally behave, we worry other people are going to be like, are you crazy? What's wrong with you? And some of the craziest, most successful people in life are the ones that were looked at that way. And we'll go into that later in the week. But don't worry about what other people think. And the third reason that people fear change is they just don't want to step outside their comfort zone. They're comfortable where they are. When you're comfortable, things are okay. The minute you step outside your comfort zone, you might have to deal with a little anxiety or a little stress. But that's where you grow. Outside your comfort zone is where you grow. So if you're struggling with the fear of the unknown or the fear of change, you're struggling with stepping outside your comfort zone, or you're struggling with the fear of what other people are going to think, those things together are going to keep you from making any type of change. And that means you're not ready for change. But once you tackle those, that means you're ready. And when you're ready for change, that's when transformational things happen. So if you're stuck in any of those and I can help you get unstuck and move you in the right direction towards change, reach out and let me know. Have an awesome day.